Really, the easiest way to start making money online today is affiliate marketing, and I will show you and tell you why. Affiliate marketing is the far simplest online money-making method. And what is affiliate marketing? You promote other people's products, and if they buy from you, you get a commission. So, very simple. What's the benefit of affiliate marketing? The biggest benefit is that you don't have to create a product, you don't have to stock it, you don't have to support it, you don't have to sell it. You just drive traffic to your affiliate link. And when someone buys through that link, you just get a commission. Support, sales, everything is on that company who is the owner of the product. So you don't have no responsibility other than promoting the product through traffic. And what is the easiest way to promote those products? It's social media. You can use faceless 5-second videos. You can use longer videos on TikToks like this one. You can teach people how to make money online and drive traffic to tools they need to make money online. Or if you are in a fishing niche, you can learn how to tie a knot or whatever is fishing related, and then have Amazon links where people can buy the tools you use to tie that knot for fishing. It's very easy, but there is a culprit. You need to understand this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, whatever any guru on the internet will tell you. You need to dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours a day. You need to create that content, you need to post, you need to be omnipresent, and you need to be honest, and you need to be yourself. And if everything is working, you need to also find a proper audience. You need to define your audience and then target that audience through your content. If you target the right audience, if you, for example, are in a fishing niche and you target hunting people, you will never sell anything. You will never get any commissions. So getting your right audience and understanding is the key. Follow for more videos like this.